After weeks of confusion and mixed messages, the third shot in the battle against COVID is finally here.
I'll be getting my booster shot.
Rolling out in cities like San Antonio.
We were here about 3 hours, but it was well worth it.
Where huge crowds surprised health authorities.
We didn't expect the response that we're seeing today.
After a CDC safety committee recommended a booster for Pfizer recipients 65 and older and for younger Americans at risk for severe illness from COVID, CDC Director Rochelle Walensky went even further, approving the shot for healthcare workers, teachers, and other at-risk professions.
I must do what I can to preserve the health across our nation.
20 million Americans now qualify for a booster, but millions more are still waiting.
That's why the FDA is working closely with Moderna and J&J to get and process their data as quickly as possible. This is a high priority.
The more pressing issue remains convincing the unvaccinated. In New York, the vaccination deadline for state healthcare workers is tomorrow. The governor preparing to call in the National Guard to ward off potential hospital staff shortages. This as a federal appeals court blocked a New York City vaccine mandate for all Department of Education employees that would have gone in effect Monday. With COVID wards overflowing across much of the country, officials hope that more Americans will roll up their sleeves.
Now, Willie, at this point of about 183 million Americans who are currently vaccinated, there's roughly 20 million of us that are, in fact, eligible for this booster shot. Now, experts say that the worst of the Delta surge may be behind us, but at this point, you have to remember we're looking this week at the possibility of crossing 700,000 total American deaths. That's still about 2,000 deaths a day. That means we are certainly not out of the woods yet. Willie?
And as you point out, still so many Americans unvaccinated. Jacob Ward, thank you so much.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.